Hey everyone, it's Mum, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY with a sustainable twist. Instead of tossing out those pieces that are past their prime, we're going to give them a fabulous second life. Think about it, that old band tee you wore to death can be reborn as a funky tote bag. Or those jeans that have seen better days, boom, turned into a super chic organizer. Whether you're a DIY diva or a total newbie, trust me, these projects are totally doable and completely addicting. So grab those clothes you're ready to retire and let's get this upcycling party started. First up, let's create the ultimate reusable shopping bag, a chic and sturdy tote bag from an old t-shirt. This project is not only eco-friendly, but also a fantastic way to breathe new life into those t-shirts you no longer wear. Plus, it's a fun and creative activity that you can do alone or with friends and family. Imagine the satisfaction of carrying a bag you made yourself and the compliments you'll get when people find out it's upcycled. This project is so simple, you'll be whipping up tote bags for everyone you know. Whether you need a quick gift or just want to add a personal touch to your shopping routine, this DIY tote bag is the perfect solution. And the best part, you don't need any sewing skills at all. First things first, grab your trusty scissors and lay your chosen t-shirt out flat on a work surface. Make sure the shirt is smooth and wrinkle-free to ensure clean cuts. This will be the foundation of your tote bag, so take a moment to appreciate the transformation that's about to happen. Start by cutting off those sleeves right along the seams. This will form the handles of your tote bag. Be precise with your cuts to keep the edges neat. If you want, you can save the sleeves for another project or discard them. Now, for the fun part, the neckline. We want a nice wide opening for our tote, so grab a plate from the kitchen. The plate will help you create a perfect curve. This step is crucial for the bag's functionality and style. Place the plate upside down over the neckline, trace around it with a washable marker and carefully cut along the line. This will give your tote bag a professional and polished look. Take your time with this step to ensure a smooth and even cut. Next, flip your shirt inside out and grab your ruler. This will help you measure and mark the bottom of the bag accurately. Precision is key to making sure your tote bag is sturdy and can hold all your items securely. Measure about 2 to 3 inches up from the bottom hem all the way around and mark it with a line. This will be the guide for your next cuts. Make sure the line is straight and even, as this will form the base of your tote bag. Cut vertical strips from the bottom hem up to the line you just marked, about 1 inch wide each. These strips will be tied together to close the bottom of the bag. The more precise your cuts, the neater the final product will be. Take each pair of strips and tie them together in a tight knot. Repeat all the way around. This will secure the bottom of your tote bag. Double knot each pair for extra strength, ensuring your bag can carry heavier items without any issues. Finally, flip that bad boy right side out and admire your handiwork. You've just created a unique and functional tote bag from an old t-shirt. It's perfect for groceries, books, or even a trip to the beach. Enjoy the satisfaction of knowing you've made something both stylish and sustainable. You've just transformed a tired old t-shirt into a stylish tote bag, perfect for groceries, books, or even a trip to the beach. Not only have you created something useful, but you've also contributed to reducing waste and promoting sustainability. Happy crafting! Let's turn those old jeans into a super functional and stylish organizer. First, grab those beloved jeans and your scissors. Carefully cut out the back pockets, leaving a bit of extra fabric around the edges. For the base, use a piece of sturdy cardboard or a wooden hanger. If using cardboard, cut it into a rectangle, wrap it with denim fabric and secure it with fabric glue. Arrange the pockets on the base, making sure to leave the openings accessible and sew or glue them in place. For the hanger option, just hang it up and admire your organizational prowess. If using cardboard, punch 2 holes at the top and thread some string or twine through to create a hanger. Decorate your new organizer with patches, fabric paint, studs, or even embroidery to make it your own. Now it's time to pamper our furry friends. That old sweater that's been hanging in your closet, it's about to become your pet's new favorite napping spot. Choose a thick, cozy sweater and turn it inside out. Pin the armholes shut with safety pins. Stitch along those pinned lines to permanently seal the armholes. Turn your sweater right side out and grab your stuffing of choice. Stuff the body of the sweater, making sure it's nice and evenly distributed for maximum comfort. Fold the arms inward, creating a circular or oval shape around the stuff body. Once you've got the perfect shape, secure it by sewing the ends of the arms to the base of the sweater. Give it a final fluff, adjust the stuffing if needed, and voila! You've just upcycled an old sweater into a cozy pet bed that's both stylish and comfy. Your furry friend will thank you for it. Let's add some personality to those walls with a piece of DIY art that's bursting with color and pattern. This project is perfect for anyone looking to infuse their space with a touch of creativity and personal flair. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or just starting out, transforming a simple scarf into a stunning wall. Hanging is a fun and rewarding way to decorate your home. We're talking about transforming a beautiful scarf into a stunning wall hanging. This isn't just any wall art, it's a piece that tells a story, perhaps of a memorable trip, a gift from a loved one, or simply a design that caught your eye. Raid your closet or your grandma's attic for a scarf with a striking design, vibrant colors, or even sentimental value. The beauty of this project is that it breathes new life into something that might otherwise be forgotten, turning it into a focal point in your home. Next, you'll need a frame to display your scarf masterpiece. The frame you choose can dramatically affect the final look of your art piece, so consider the style of your room and the vibe you want to create. You can use an embroidery hoop for a more casual boho vibe, or a traditional canvas frame for a more polished look. Each option offers a unique aesthetic, so choose what best fits your personal style and the decor of your space. If you're using an embroidery hoop, separate the inner and outer hoops and set them aside. This will make it easier to position your scarf and ensure it's centered and secure. Lay your chosen scarf flat on a clean surface and place your frame or hoop on top. Take a moment to adjust the scarf so that the design is perfectly positioned within the frame. If you're using an embroidery hoop, center the fabric over the inner hoop and then press the outer hoop down, making sure the fabric is taut. This step is crucial for achieving a smooth, professional-looking finish. Trim any excess fabric around the edges. Be careful to cut close to the hoop without cutting the fabric too short, as you want to maintain a neat appearance. If you're using a canvas frame, simply wrap the scarf around the frame, pulling it taut to remove any wrinkles. This method works well for larger scarves and creates a more substantial piece of wall art. Secure the fabric to the back of the frame using staples or a strong adhesive like fabric glue. Make sure the fabric is evenly stretched and free of wrinkles before securing it. Hang your new creation in your living room, bedroom, or even your bathroom for a pop of color and a touch of unique style. This DIY project not only adds a personal touch to your decor, but also serves as a wonderful conversation starter. Get ready to snuggle up with a one-of-a-kind patchwork blanket that's bursting with color, texture, and memories. This project is perfect for those who love to craft and want to create something truly unique and personal. Whether you're an experienced sewer or a beginner, this guide will walk you through each step to make a beautiful patchwork blanket from fabric scraps. This project is all about taking those fabric scraps, old t-shirts, and beloved but worn-out clothes, and giving them a new lease on life as a cozy masterpiece. Not only is this a great way to recycle and reduce waste, but it also allows you to preserve memories associated with those old fabrics. Gather your fabric scraps, old clothes, and even those forgotten scraps from past projects. The more variety you have, the more interesting and vibrant your blanket will be. Don't worry about matching colors perfectly. The charm of a patchwork blanket lies in its eclectic mix. Cut your fabric into equal-sized squares. A good starting size is 6 by 6 inches. If you have larger or smaller pieces, you can adjust the size accordingly. Just make sure all your squares are uniform to ensure a neat and tidy finish. Lay them out on a flat surface and play around with different patterns and color combinations. This is your chance to get creative. Try arranging the squares in a gradient, alternating colors, or creating a random mix. Take your time to find the layout that you love. Once you're happy with your arrangement, start sewing your squares together in rows and then sew the rows together to create your blanket top. Make sure to press the seams flat as you go to keep everything smooth and even. For extra warmth and durability, add a backing to your blanket. Choose a soft, cozy fabric like flannel or fleece for the backing. This will not only make your blanket warmer, but also give it a nice, finished look. Cut a large piece of fabric to the same size as your patchwork top and sew them together, leaving an opening for turning. This step can be a bit tricky, so take your time to ensure everything is aligned properly. Turn your blanket right side out, hand stitch the opening closed, and give it a good press. This will help set the seams and give your blanket a crisp, professional finish. Give your blanket a polished look by hemming the edges or adding a decorative border. This final touch will make your blanket look complete and add an extra layer of detail. You can use bias tape, ribbon, or even more fabric scraps to create a unique and personalized finish. This is your chance to add a bit of flair and make your blanket truly one of a kind. Enjoy your cozy, colorful creation. Wrap yourself in the warmth and memories of your handmade patchwork blanket and take pride in the beautiful, sustainable piece you've created. And there you have it, 5 incredibly fun and surprisingly easy ways to upcycle your old clothes. We've transformed tired tees into trendy totes, given new life to old denim, and even pampered our furry friends with cozy sweater beds. Remember, upcycling isn't just about being resourceful and environmentally conscious. It's about tapping into your creativity, reducing waste, and creating something truly unique. If you loved these upcycling hacks, give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more creative inspiration, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss a new upload. Share your upcycled creations with me in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with.